First step is to put the web rail onto the beam. It's a pivoting magnet assembly. Make sure you're down tight against the beam. Several inches from the edge you want to cut. And you need to square it. It will pivot. You use a simple carpenter square. Come off the face of the rail onto the web of the flange of the beam. The other way. So when you're tightening them up, the pin will pull down and hold the rail down tight and square in place. Pull the machine on the beam. Make sure your clutch knob is pulled out. Engage the wheels into the V's. Clutch knob. Position your torch for the beginning cut. Slower speed way down so we can get exactly half the beam. Start our first cut. The sequence of the 3 cuts is up one flange, across the web, and up the second flange. Turn the torch off with a quick action manifold so you don't have to readjust your torch. Allow the travel to continue all the way to the top so that the bottom of the flange reel will clear your beam. Make a note of your speed. You can turn it all the way up and just let it run up till it stops. At this point, push your clutch knob in, bring the machine over the center of the beam, swing. We're now ready to bring the torch back in. Start our horizontal cut across the web. Magic. Good pair of cutting bobbins. Go. Okay, when that cut's complete, again pivot your torch up. You can see you don't have to loosen or tighten anything here. It's just preloaded so you can just manually position it where you need it to be.